it's a great opportunity to meet other people from a very diverse sector such as travel. A great opportunity to share views, hear different opinions and think about opportunities for the future. I think there's a huge amount of positivity over the sector going forward. I think estimations of the growth in international tourism are around a third over the next decade. So emerging new populations, new demographics that have a desire for more experiential international travel, I think presents loads of exciting opportunities. I think there are three that spring to mind immediately. How the travel sector is going to develop its current propositions, both its product and its service models, to create greater engagement with a new set of customers, I think will be key. The role that technology will play in plugging into those new customer demographics, I think will also be a key theme that we've been seeing for a number of years. And I think also the uncertainty around geopolitical events that requires the travel sector to be more responsive and more resilient in the future, including with climate change and sustainability. I think those are probably the three main challenges the sector needs to address.